Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. As you all know that in last two videos I have discussed some numericals of surface area and volume chapter. In the first video of this part I discussed about the formulas. In the last video I discussed some interesting and important numericals of this chapter. Today also very important and numerical which many times come in different type of school level questions and also even in some competitive exam also. So let us check first the question which is given here. It is given that a field which is 102 meter long and 25 meter broad. Now a tank of 10 meter long and 5 meter broad and 4 meter deep is dug from the middle of the field. We have to find out the rise of the level of the remaining part of the field in the centimeter scale, right? So let us first of all draw. In every case of this kind of numericals, to make our calculation easy to understand the question, we have to draw whenever it is possible for us. So what is given here? That a field is 102 meter long and 25 meter broad. Now in the middle of this field one tank is dug whose dimension is given. We cannot show here the height or depth, but we can obviously show the length, which is 10 meter length and 5 meter of breadth, and it is 4 meter of deep. Okay, so to find out the level of remaining part of the field, we have to find out the volume of the earthy material that has been dug out to make that tank, right? So we have to find out the volume of the earth material that has been dug out. So the volume of earthy material dug out is equals to length, breadth and height of the tank, right? So it will be 10 into 5 into 4 meter cube, that is 200 meter cube. Now what is the upper part of the tank? Because the whole part has been dug, na? So we have to find out the area of the upper part of the tank. Upper part of the tank is 10 into 5 meter square, that is 50 meter square, right? And the total area of the field is total area of the field is 102 meter into 25 meter, that is 2550 meter square area, right? So the remaining part is 2550 meter minus 50 meter square, so 2500 meter square, right? So the remaining part is 2500 meter. Now think in a three-dimensional case. Suppose it is the field which I am showing in a three-dimensional way, and here you are digging a tank, right? The depth is 4, length is 5 and length is 10 meter and height is of 5 meter. Now if you dug this hole, this shaded part, obviously it will be the depressed part. So this part of the area will rise when you totally dug out the material from the field area, right? So if you divide this 200 meter from the whole earthy material, if you divide this from the remaining part, obviously you will get the rise in volume, a rise in the level, because it is the volume and it is the remaining part. So the three-dimensional part, the remaining rise, that means the height we will get. Understood? Once again I am trying to discuss, I will do this later. We have find out the total area of the field, okay, and also we have find out the total volume of the earthy material that has been excavated, that has been in meter cube, and also we have find out the top part of this earthy material of the tank, right? Now from that total part, total area of the field, we have subtracted the upper level. Think of it in two-dimensional, upper level, right? Now not only the upper level we have dug out, that means the height also goes down here. So how much height has been go down? It is the question indirectly, that how much part has been rise the level of the height. So if we subtract this amount of the upper part of the tank from the remaining total area, we will find out only the this much remaining area, but the height is still not calculated. So to find out the height which will rise, is what is given here, find the rise of the level of the remaining part. Once you dug a total thing from a field, obviously some amount has been rise level. So how will you get? If I divide the total volume, so the rise in the level of the remaining part is equals to 200 by this 2500, that is in meter. So we have to find out in centimeter. So we will multiply it with 100. So it will be centimeter. So it will be 8 centimeter. So the answer is rise of the level will be of 8 centimeter of the remaining part of the field will be there. I hope you have understood this numerical, right? The next question is like this. The length of the room is 50% more than its breadth. The cost of carpenting the room at the rate of 38.50 meters square is rupees 924, and the cost of repairing the walls at rupees 3.30 meters square is rupees 214.50 paisa. If the room has only one door dimension of 1 meter into 2 meter and two windows each of dimension 1 meter and 1.5 meter, find the dimensions of the room. Okay, very interesting and also important, right? So here breadth and length, any of them is not given. So in that case, let the breadth of the room we can take is as x meter. Now as given that length of the room is 50 meter, then its breadth. So obviously length of the room will be 1 plus 50 by 100 of x. That means 150 by 100 of x. So it will be 3x by 2 meter. Right. Now what will be the area of the room? Area of the floor of the room is x into 3x by 2 meter square, that is 3x square by 2 meter square, right? So we have find out the area of the floor of the room. Now cost of carpenting the room at the rate of rupees 38.50 is given 924 rupees. So if we make an equation of it, so it will be 3x square by 2 into 38.50 is equals to 924, right? Now it will be like this, 3x square by 2 into 3850 by, I am clearing the decimal actually, 924. So it will be 3x square into 3850 equals to 924 into 2 into 100. So it will be x square equals to 924 into 2 into 100 by 3850 into 3. Okay. So if I simplify it, it will be equals to 16. That means x is equals to 4 meter. So obviously breadth is 4 meter. So now length is 3 into x by 2, that is 3 into 4 by 2, that is 6 meter. So breadth is 4 meter and length is 6 meter. Okay. Now the height of the room is also not given. So let height of the room is h meter. Obviously the surface area of all the walls of the room will be 2 into length plus breadth into height, all we know. So 2 into length is given 6, breadth we have already find out 4, and h is not given. So it will be 6 plus 4, that is 10, 10, 20 h meter square. Okay. Now area of one door, dimension also given. So area of one door is given 1 into 2 meter square, that is 2 meter square. Area of two window, dimensions were also given there, 1 and 1.5 as 2 windows. So 2 into 1 into 1.5 meter square. So it will be 3 meter square, right? So the surface area which will be colored will be surface area of wall minus the surface area of the door and the window, right? So to be paint is equals to surface area of wall minus surface area of door plus window, right? So surface area of the wall already we have find out, that is 20H, and it will be 2 minus 3, door and 2 window. So minus 5, that is 20H minus 5 meter square. Okay, now cost of coloring of 1 meter square is rupees 3.30. So the total cost will be 20H minus 5 into 3.30 rupees, and it is already given that it is 214.50. So the equation will be like this: 20H minus 5 into 3.30 is equals to 214.50. If we remove decimal from both this case, as 2 decimal place already given, so it is very much easy for us to remove it. 330 to 1450, right? So it will be 20H minus 5 equals to 21450 by 330. So it will be 20H is equals to 715 by 11 plus 5. So it will be H is equals to 1 by 20, 11 of 715 plus 55. If we calculate, it will come as 3.5 meter. Okay, so the height of the room is 3.5 meter. So I hope you have understood these two numericals. Tomorrow I will share also some numericals more from this video, from this particular chapter. And if you like this kind of videos, please give the like button, and also you can comment if more kind of numericals or any other alteration addition you want. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends, family, and give any kind of suggestion in the